Welcome to Food Illustrated, where we make food so good you might just forgive us for all the dirty dishes. Today, we're cracking the code on a restaurant legend, spicy lemon garlic chicken, and pairing it with golden turmeric rice that's so vibrant it could guide ships to shore. Get ready for flavor fireworks. All right, flavor adventurers, buckle up. It's time to build the secret flavor bomb inside the chicken. We're making the stuffing. And trust me, this isn't your Thanksgiving side dish. Grab a pan, melt a tablespoon of butter over medium heat, and toss in your roughly chopped onion. We're not just softening it, we're taking it to a nice browned stage. Those little brown bits, that's fond, and it's pure flavor gold. Once they're happy and caramelized, add another tablespoon of butter, your chopped garlic, serrano peppers, and a teaspoon of that all-powerful seasoning mix. The smell right now? That's the sound of success. Sauté that for about 2 minutes just to wake everything up. Now for the pro move, deglazing. Hit the pan with 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. It'll sizzle and steam like a mini science fair volcano, and you'll scrape up all that glorious fond. This step isn't just for show, it's dissolving all those stuck-on, caramelized flavors back into our mix. Then take it off the heat and let it cool completely. This isn't a drill. If you stuff a hot filling into the chicken, you'll start cooking it prematurely and nobody wants that. First up, let's talk chicken prep. Listen, that bird's been through a lot, so we're gonna treat it right. Pat that skin bone dry. We're not steaming a pudding here. We're going for crispy, golden glory. Why? Science. It's all about the Maillard reaction, also known as flavor fireworks, which only happens when heat meets dry protein. Think of it as the chicken's glow-up moment. Then, we take that little pocket of fat or some softened butter we violently seasoned and tuck it under the skin like a secret love letter to future you. As it roasts, it melts and bastes the meat from the inside. It's basically a built-in juice dispenser. Genius, absolutely. Lazy, possibly. Delicious, no doubt. While our chicken sunbathes in the oven, let's make the rice that's going to soak up all that saucy goodness. Rinse that basmati like you're searching for gold. Clear water means fluffy, not clumpy. Rice. Then we toast it in oil. This isn't just for fun, it's a flavor force field. The heat gelatinizes the outside of each grain so they stay separate and proud, not mushy and sad. Now, meet turmeric, the diva of the spice world. Its superstar compound, curcumin, won't perform without fat. So we toast it in the oil, and bam! It unleashes its full earthy flavor and turns the rice a sunset yellow. It's like a mini science experiment you can eat. Here comes the plot twist, the sauce. After the chicken is done roasting and resting, because even meat needs a nap, we raid the pan for those glorious drippings. This isn't grease, folks. It's liquid gold packed with umami and collagen. We pour it into a pan and gently warm it up. Now here's the kitchen magic trick. We add acidic lemon juice, green onions, basil, and chili garlic sauce. If we get impatient and blast the heat, the proteins will panic, coagulate, and we'll get a grainy mess. But with gentle warmth, we create a beautiful, glossy emulsion. A shaky truce where fat and water decide to be best friends. The result? A velvety, clingy sauce that makes everything it touches infinitely better. Time for the grand finale. Carve that juicy, self-basted chicken, smother it in the glossy, fiery red sauce. Pile high that sunshine yellow rice. Take a bite, and there it is. The crispy skin, the tender meat, the bright heat, the fragrant rice, all singing in perfect harmony. It's the taste of a restaurant secret, unlocked in your kitchen with a side of fun. If you enjoyed this tasty adventure, subscribe to Food Illustrated, where we prove that cooking is just delicious science with more snacks. See you next time.